In this video, I'll be covering my portfolio changes for the week and market thoughts. Jumping right in, highlighted in yellow here are my buys and sells for this week. First off, I sold 30% of my position in sibanye Stillwater, ticker SBSW, for a 113% gain. The primary reason I sold is because I've had a bigger weighting in this stock than I've wanted, so I decided to trim it now. This stock primarily benefits from mining the platinum group metals, so with the platinum market hitting the 2008 and 2011 highs, palladium into this accumulation and distribution area right here, and SBSW was stalling a little bit right here when I made the sell, but it is pushing up today. But in any case, I don't mind the odds of selling a bit here. And again, I wanted to reduce the position size. Next, I sold my entire MJ position, which is a cannabis ETF, for a 24% loss. I've had this position for years, and it's been one of the worst trades I've done considering the size of it relative to my portfolio at the time and how long I've held it. Remember, my portfolio is up over 64% this year, so a $9,300 position last year was almost 3% of my portfolio. That's a big allocation for dead money. And earlier this year, I was down almost 70% on the position. I did think this would be an investment, but it's taking way too long for the market to turn around, and even if it did now, I think I can make larger percentage returns in other markets and sectors. So I'll take it as luck it's rallied this much off the lows from the news about cannabis potentially being rescheduled and just get out of the position. I lucked out when I sold this. I was watching the market in real time and it started dropping precipitously yesterday, and so I sold it at around 41.40 on when it started the decline, and it's just been moving lower the rest of yesterday and today. Next, I added about $1,000 to my Canadian natural resources position, ticker CNQ. I've been talking about adding to my oil and gas exposure over time, so I'll keep accumulating. Looking at my allocation pie chart here, oil and gas is currently only 4% of my portfolio. I'm not sure how big of a percentage I want to have yet, but I'm definitely willing to get that closer to 10% and maybe more. Lastly, I bought a GLD call option for $2,000. Gold is flirting with the breakout to new highs. Gold and silver stocks are moving to new highs. Silver is running, and I'm still eyeing the April time frame for a major turning point. And the way the market is shaping, it's looking like this time frame will be a high instead of a low. For the market outlook, just one comment. I'm continuing to watch for weakness in the oil market to add to my positions in ticker CNQ and ticker XOM. For alerts on my real-time buys and sells, follow me on X, link in the description, and subscribe to the channel for ongoing portfolio commentary and market insights. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.